Now, we will show you how to pack a gift with balloons in an unusual way. Wrap the box in wrapping paper. Take 2 long multicolored balls and tie the box with them like a ribbon. And now on the other side, it looks unusual and catches the eye. In a similar way, you can decorate the legs of wine glasses for the holiday. Just tie them with balls. Besides, it will help to hold them tighter in your hands. If you suddenly lost the bottle cap, then a balloon will come to your aid. Inflate it and then place it on the neck of the bottle. Release the valve and the ball will wrap itself around the neck. Such a lid is absolutely airtight. The life hack is also suitable for glass jars with a large neck. And to remove the lid, just blow into the balloon and you're done. Fill a few balloons with water and then freeze them. They should become solid. Now, we'll take any suitcase and put drinks in it, covering them with our ice balls. That's it. Your homemade portable refrigerator is ready. Cut off the valve at the balloon and put it over a toilet paper sleeve. Put the projectile inside and pull back and bam! Let's take 2 balls of lots of chocolate. Melt the chocolate in a water bath to liquid state. Now we dip the balloon in chocolate for about half and put it on a saucer. Repeat this with the second balloon and then with the third. Now they will need to be frozen. After that, we just pop the balls and remove them for our chocolate cups. And in their place, we will put other balls, ice cream balls. Add a little sprinkling, and our usual dessert is ready. A chocolate bowl is no worse than an ordinary one. Besides, you can always eat it with ice cream. Let's take a pastry syringe, replace its tip with a balloon. Let's inflate it. And now we will begin to gradually pour liquid chocolate inside. Helping ourselves with the plunger from a syringe. When all the chocolate is already inside, we begin to evenly distribute it. After freezing, we will easily remove the ball. It remains only to wrap our huge chocolate egg in a suitable wrapper and we'll get a giant Kinder Surprise egg.